Are you looking for the best Dremel bits that deliver precision, durability, and versatility? Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, choosing the right rotary tool bits can make or break your projects. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the right one? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're reviewing the top-rated Dremel bits for 2025, featuring the YXGOOD 10 pieces Tungsten Carbide double-cut rotary Burr set, the APEXFORGE 357-piece Burr Set Universal Fitment, and the GOXAWEE 20 pieces diamond-coated pieces rotary bits set. These sets offer high performance, durability, and compatibility for a range of applications. We've included product links in the description box and pinned comment, so be sure to check them out. And if you enjoy expert product reviews, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Now, let's get started. YXGOOD 10 pieces Tungsten Carbide double-cut rotary Burr set review. When it comes to high-performance grinding, shaping, and engraving, the YXGOOD Tungsten Carbide Burr set stands out as a powerhouse. Crafted from premium tungsten carbide, these double-cut burrs offer exceptional durability and precision, making them ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether you're working on wood, metal, stone, or even ceramic, this set ensures clean, controlled cuts with minimal vibrations. The 10-piece variety gives you flexibility, whether you need fine detailing or aggressive material removal. The ergonomic design enhances user control, and the double-cut pattern reduces loading, making your workflow smoother and faster. If you're looking for a long-lasting, high-performance rotary burr set, the YXGOOD 10-piece kit is a top-tier choice. Check the link in the description and pinned comment to grab yours today. APEXFORGE 357-piece Burr Set Universal Fitment Review. For those who demand maximum versatility, the APEXFORGE 357-piece Burr Set is a complete game-changer. This all-in-one kit is designed for Dremel users who want a comprehensive collection of bits for engraving, sanding, polishing, and cutting across multiple materials. Featuring high-speed steel, diamond-coated, and tungsten carbide burrs, this set ensures you're equipped for every type of project imaginable. The universal fitment makes it compatible with most rotary tools, while the precision-engineered cutting edges ensure smooth, detailed finishes. Whether you're a professional woodworker, jewelry maker, or DIY enthusiast, the APEXFORGE set gives you unmatched flexibility and value. If you're serious about your craft, this set is a must-have. Find it in the description box and first comment below. GOXAWEE 20 pieces diamond-coated pieces rotary bit set review. If you're working on glass, ceramic, stone, or hard metals, the GOXAWEE 20 pieces diamond-coated rotary bit set is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Featuring industrial-grade diamond coating, these bits provide superior hardness, allowing for precise engraving and polishing with minimal wear and tear. This set is particularly favored for its ability to handle delicate materials without cracking or chipping. The 20-piece selection offers various shapes and sizes, ensuring precision whether you're creating intricate details or smoothing out rough edges. Compatible with most rotary tools, this GOXAWEE set is ideal for jewelers, glass artists, and precision craftsmen. If you need high-quality diamond-coated bits for delicate work, this is the set for you. Check the link in the description to get yours today. So, there you have it, our top 3 picks for the best Dremel bits of 2025. Whether you're looking for premium tungsten carbide burrs, an all-in-one mega kit, or ultra-precise diamond-coated bits, we've covered something for everyone. Investing in the right bits can significantly improve the quality of your work, making your project smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Which of these sets do you think suits your needs the best? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check the description box and pinned comment for the product links. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more expert product reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.